Hi everyone, I really salute you from wherever you're watching. That is USA, Canada, European countries. Thank you so much for following, subscribing, liking, and of course commenting. Yeah, when I come back to Africa, oh my goodness, people love my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Yes, on this, it's a beautiful hairstyle, so protective to your hairline. As you know, all the hairstyles I bring you on this channel, they're all protective hairstyles. By the way, I forgot to tell you that this is the most light hairstyle among all the crochet hairstyles. Let's go straight because I've always brought you tutorials about cornrows, and when we're done with our cornrows, like the way you've seen being done, that is the inside cornrows. Of course, here I'm starting to crochet my cows, the Moroccan cows. This is the way to go. This is the better kind of crocheting. Of course, it's a double strand, rather it's a double crochet because it's more faster. And remember, you don't have to delay your client so much in the salon, so you need to improvise ways of making her leave the salon when it's not too when it's not too much time that you've used. So this is the best way of saving your time. You double crochet just like this because these ones have to be firm in the corners. If you single crochet it and just leave it there, it might come out, yet it's not your intention. Of course, this is a hairstyle that can long last up to 3 months, because first of all, you can wash it, you can style it, you can swim with it, so it gives you more options. Yeah, so you need to double crochet to lock it in the cornrows so that it can long last for 2 to 3 months, even more, according to the way your cornrows are braided. If the cornrows are braided so well, it can take even more than 3 months there. Yeah, so here we go. I'm crocheting. Let me take it so fast because you've seen tutorials about this, but now this is the most detailed video. Yes, so after crocheting here, of course you're gonna see me twist, but I want you to watch every step, and the ending is gonna amaze you. It's gonna amaze you, really. You're gonna be mesmerized. Just stick with me to the end of this video. Yeah, of course my name is JK, you know that very well, and I'm here to give you all the protective hairstyles, here to give you all the hair techniques and maybe the secrets that have been hidden from most of the hairdressers, hairstylists, and their specialists. I'm here to give you everything, every little detail. You will thank me later, and you really, really, really appreciate. Yeah, just stick with me on this journey or of this video. Here, of course, I'm still crocheting. Here I'm still crocheting into my silicone rows, and make sure you don't hurt your client, because she's your boss. If you hurt her, she will not come back. So here we go with our crocheting, and then here start to twist. You see how I twist these cows? You make sure they blend into they blend because it's double stranded twist. They have to blend into each other so that the cows come out very well, the twists come out very well. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, if it's your first time to bump into this channel, make sure you leave a like. Of course, don't forget to comment. Let me know how you feel about this video, what you want me to add in, or any hairstyle that you want me to do for you. And of course, make sure you click on the notification bell, of course, to be notified about the new and upcoming videos that I keep on uploading. I almost upload every day, I keep on telling you that. So I'm just taking you so fast on this. Here I'm twisting my cows, my Moroccan cows. Of course, I told you which kind of braid that makes this. It's Gina Spring. It's Gina Spring. You can get it on you can go on their website, and if you want it to be shipped to you, you can get it. Yes, here twisting. Here I'm twisting it. Please stick with me to the end of this video, because if you don't, you're gonna miss out something. And make sure you are watching very well. Your eyes are so sober to watch this video very well. Every little detail about this video. Yes, here we go. And of course, maintenance of this hairstyle, all these curls, you need to get a spray. Most especially, you just mix a spray of water and oil. Not only oil, hair oil, but you mix in with water and keep spraying it so that it's moistured. You don't have to leave it to be dry. It has to be moistured so that the curls are really in proper mode. And here then I'm trimming off the dead ends. When you're done everything, you make sure you trim off the dead ends. This is to make it look neat, and of course to protect it from being entangled. Of course, also twisting is very good. It makes it keeps it away from entangling. And of course, you have to trim off the dead ends, as I'm doing here right now. I really keep on thanking you. Thank you so much. I've seen you supporting, liking, subscribing to this channel, and of course sharing my videos to your friends. Thank you so much. If you want to learn hair, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna teach you everything here. I'm almost done here. Now I'm styling. You can style this type of hairstyle in different ways, and this is a way that I haven't showed you in most of my videos, the way I'm styling it here. But I've showed you different ways of styling this hairstyle. You can go back into my previous videos. I've done this hairstyle. Now I think this is the second or third time I'm doing this hairstyle. Only that this is now detailed, and I'm showing you how to style it. Yes, now this is our final result. So you can go back into my previous videos to watch it in different stylings. But for today, here I'm done. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. I'm JK as usual. Bye bye.